Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Names of Allah series. We have started this series for the benefit of everyone to understand and get closer to Allah. Join us in this humble journey as we explore and reflect upon the beautiful names and attributes of Allah. Hope you will also follow along as we delve deeper into our faith. Al Muqtadir, the all authoritative one. Allah is the powerful, the dominant, and the sovereign, the one with the perfect power that nothing is withheld from him, and whose authority is unmatched. Arabic root. The root Qaf, Dal, Ra denotes power, authority, and capability. It signifies the attribute of being able to accomplish anything. This is also the same root for other names of Allah, Al-Qadir and Al-Qadir, meaning the all-powerful. The difference between these names is Al-Qadir is the fa'il form which is used to broadly describe Allah as having power, while Al-Qadir is the fa'il form, which is a more intense word specifically used to describe the possessor of the power and authority in a way that is independent of comparison with anyone. Al-Qadir is a participle of Qadara, Yaqdir, and Al-Qadir is for exaggeration, and Al-Muqtadir is an even more intensive and exaggerated form. Quranic context. This root appears in the Quran 132 times, and this name appears 4 times. For example, in Surah Al-Qamar, chapter 54, verse 42, they denied our signs, all of them. So we seized them with the seizure of one exalted in might and perfect in ability. In Surah Al-Kahf, chapter 18, verse 45, the Quran says, and present to them the example of the life of this world. It's being like rain, which we send down from the sky, and the vegetation of the earth mingles with it, and then it becomes dry remnants, scattered by the winds. And Allah is ever, over all things, perfect in ability. Utilizing Al-Muqtadir in Dua. When invoking Allah by the name Al-Muqtadir, a dua might include words like, O Allah Al-Muqtadir, the all-authoritative one, we seek your guidance and support in our lives and ask for your mercy and blessings. Ya Allah, help us to always remember that we can never rely on ourselves, on our capabilities, on our success, as everything is from you only. And we always need you, Allah, the one perfect in ability. Ameen. Jazakallah khair for listening. May Allah allow us to use His beautiful names and make us closer to Him. Allahumma Ameen. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.